Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, it was another shortened weekend of games in the Jamaica Women's Premier League due to one team's inability to assemble enough players for their encounter. On Saturday, the Jamaica Women's Premier League game between Proven Girls Academy and Real Mabay was postponed as Proven Girls could not field a team due to players being involved in the ISA Schoolgirls Football Tournament. President of the St. Thomas Football Association, Wayne Thompson, says a request was made by the academy team.
More than 75% of the girls play for Yalas, in particular, Marant Bay High and Seaforth. So it would have been difficult for Proven to play their game because they wouldn't be able to find a team. And part of the challenge is the fact that the girls tend to give priority to the school competition. But notwithstanding that, the fact is, this is not just something that is unique to Proven, because, you know, the women's football is a development process. So most of the players are also playing in the school league.
While the Men's Premier League and the schoolboy football season overlap from September to November, players are not allowed to take part in both competitions, according to the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association rules. But no such rules exist for women. It means then that schoolgirls could feature in up to 3 games per week and at times back-to-back matches if they have club commitments. Manager of Proven Girls Academy, Vincent Barnes, believes there needs to be a look at the scheduling of the two competitions.
I think something should be done for the schoolgirl and the Premier League clashes. You know, they can look at the fixtures and do something about it. We don't have the numbers to say split the team in two. You understand? So up until I think March 15, you know, thereabout, if there's a game clashing, we have to ask for them to be postponed.
For schools in Portland, there is also the parish's Women's League, which had its launch earlier this week. For Portland FA President Raymond Grant, the decision to have that competition overlapping with the Women's Premier League and schoolgirls football was made in conjunction with the teams.
After consultation with the schools prior to the start of the competition, the schools advised that the period of February to April is the best period within their sporting calendar based on all the other educational activities that they have for the year. And they do not want to compete with the exam period. And there was also a challenge as relates to competing with Eastern champs, and therefore having taken everything into consideration based on all the consultation.
The postponement of the game between Proven Girls and Real Mabay is the latest in a sequence of events since the start of the Women's Premier League, as Royal Lakes and Rangers FC withdrew on the eve of the season, while Veer United were booted from the competition after citing a lack of preparedness in their opening game against Real Mabay before failing to show for their second round fixture. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports. Thank you, Renardo. Meanwhile, in